I was a bit lost in what I wanted to do, and I was just looking at different options, and this timber engineering offered a wide range of different challenges and different opportunities, so I just thought it was the best thing to come into at the time.
To be honest, I like to learn a lot of stuff. Like I like a job that it's constant learning process for me. And since I started getting quite good at doing the trusses, and I learned that I wanted to learn something new as well. Like I like to learn the whole business.
What I love most about my job is I work on solving real life problems and designing things that matter. I work with all kinds of great people inside and outside my organisation, and I find this very rewarding. My job challenges me every day in different ways, and every day I'm learning. I look forward to developing my career in timber engineering and hopefully inspire others to join me in this rewarding industry.
The training we get is usually on-the-job training by someone who knows exactly what they're doing, and so you'll get like a buddy almost, and he'll talk you through it first, and then he'll put you on there, sort of almost throw you in the deep end, but that's the best way to do it really.
Timber engineering is a great career choice for young people because there are opportunities there for everyone, no matter what you want to achieve in your career. It's not always about getting your hands dirty, although you can if you want to. It's your opportunity to make a difference, be creative and have your talent stretched in ways you never expected. My career in timber engineering has been extremely rewarding. From working in sales, design and engineering, there has always been a great sense of achievement. Whether that is seeing a completed job on site or just knowing that I played my part in creating buildings of the future.
I can only say the different opportunities that occur during my time here definitely sees me as far as I can see. I want to carry on and go as far as I can, because I really do think it's a massive field with so many different opportunities. I think everyone should really consider it if they're not sure what they want to do.